how to enable dynamic lock in Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. And to enable dynamic lock in your system, first enable Bluetooth in your system and add a Bluetooth device to your system. Add your smartphone to your system, go to Bluetooth and devices. First turn on the Bluetooth features in your system and thereafter add a device. First pair your device and thereafter connect your Bluetooth device, your phone to your system. Thereafter, same setting page, from the left side go to accounts and here scroll down and you will find sign in option. Click on it and here you will find the option, scroll down under additional settings, dynamic lock. Automatically lock your device when you are away. Click on it and allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. Make the check against this option. Looking for your paired phone, your paired phone will visible here, and when your device, when you are away, your Windows allow Windows to automatically lock your device. Additional feature is also automatically save my restartable apps and restart them. So account details, use my sign in info. You may enable such features for your a smoothly function of device.